Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. March 30th, Doge was trading at 14 cents, which, from trough to peak, marks roughly a 21% increase. Despite the bullish surge, Doge is still down from its all-time high of 73 cents in May 2021. At that time, the cryptocurrency joined a handful of other meme stocks like GameStop, GME, and AMC Theaters, AMC, in one of the more bizarre bull-run stories in financial history. The most likely reason behind Dogecoin's latest rise is the project's close ties with Elon Musk, and his strong influence over the price of Doge, an influence which to 0.000001464 and fall to $0.000009958 before the end of February. During the month, the price is expected to average $0.000000171. In March, the projections showed the price could average $0.00000012407. The platform predicts dogelonmars is likely to begin the second quarter with an uptrend. However, the typical ups and downs could see the value of an Elon coin touch a low of $0.000000127, but a rally would push the price to a high of $0.000001657. The meme coin is expected to gain value in May and June, to average $0.00000014112 and $0.000001503, respectively. CryptoPredictions.com forecasts dogelonmars to rise to $0.00000187888 in June, setting a new high for the first 6 months. Q3 and Q4, as per the predictions, the buyers could push prices higher in the third quarter, and eventually cross the $0.0000002. During the 3 months, the price is expected to range between $0.00000013505702881 and $0.00000021955778993. CryptoPredictions.com algorithm projects Dogelon growth to continue without slowing down. The coin of Elon is expected to trade between $0.00000015571595505 and in the crypto corridors for a while. You can't help noticing the similarity of dogelonmars with Doge and Elon Musk. Maybe it's not straightforward, but there is a connection. Dogelonmars ticker symbol, Elon, says as much about the association. The naming masterstroke captures the attention of meme coin enthusiasts. Dogelonmars is a meme coin that seeks to reciprocate the success of Dogecoin. It then loops in on Elon Musk, the lord of the meme coins. Elon Musk's tweets on virtual currencies significantly affect the crypto market. Essentially, dogelonmars is a Dogecoin fork that seeks to replicate Doge's success and achieve Elon Musk's vision of colonizing Mars. Remember, canine meme coins like Doge and SHIB have had a successful year breaking the crypto market growth records. Price growth in future outlook dogelonmars has currently a market cap of $1,983,000,000 in December that Tesla products could be purchased with Dogecoin. Doge's value likewise skyrocketed. At the time of writing, Dogecoin was trading at $0.084. Musk welcomes recession because bankruptcies need to happen. Musk proffered his unconventional wisdom when asked if he still believed a recession was on the horizon. Having answered in the affirmative, the Tesla CEO and SpaceX founder took the surprising stance that recessions are actually a force for good. Yes, a recession is coming, but this is actually a good thing, said Musk. It has been raining money on fools for too long. Some bankruptcies need to happen. Also, all the COVID stay-at-home stuff has tricked people into thinking that you don't actually need to work hard. Rude awakening inbound. In Musk's mind, the layabouts who followed government mandates and stayed at home during the COVID crisis will have to work a little harder in the harsher economic climate, provided the company they work for is not one of the ones that goes bankrupt. Musk foresees a long recession. Musk is not the only commentator who believes that a US recession is in the offing. Glenn Hutchins of crypto VC firm North Island has stated that the US economy will experience negative growth in 2023. Hutchins' prediction may yet prove optimistic, as there are signs that the economy is slipping into decline as early as this year. While there is consensus that some economic contraction is inevitable, Musk stands alone in believing that the fallout will ultimately be for the best. Elon predicts that the upcoming period of negative growth may last between 12 to 18 months. That will allow the stiff broom of recession to sweep away all the trash negative cash flow companies that need to die so they stop consuming resources. Tesla was founded in 2003. Musk became its CEO in 2008. In 2019, the company posted its first annual profit after years of negative cash flows. Musk's companies have received billions in taxpayer support and subsidies. Having grabbed all the public money he could with both hands, billionaire Elon Musk now stands a recession-proof individual. Many of the taxpayers who assisted his rise will not find themselves similarly immune. $6, and an expected price of $0.0000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the dogelonmars price will be almost $0.0000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.0000326. Dogelonmars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelonmars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelonmars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelonmars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.0000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelonmars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.0000600 and $0.0000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.0000600 to $0.0000709 for 2027. Dogelonmars course prediction 2028 The current price range of Dogelonmars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.0001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.0000905 for 2028. It could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. Slogan bets can be made as